أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وضرب الله مثلا قرية كانت آمنة مطمئنة يأتيها رزقها رغدا من كل مكان فكفرت بأنعم الله فأذاقها الله لباس الجوع والخوف بما كانوا يصنعون.
And Allah cites the example of a town that was secure and peaceful, with its livelihood coming to it abundantly from every direction. But then it turned unappreciative of Allah's blessings, so Allah made it taste the robe of hunger and fear, because of what they used to craft.
وَلَقَدْ جَاءَهُمْ رَسُولٌ مِّنْهُمْ فَكَذَّبُوهُ فَأَخَذَهُمُ الْعَذَابُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
A messenger from among them had come to them, but they denounced him, so the punishment seized them in the midst of their wrongdoing.